Panther Creek and again, and we're gonna do this little Cheerio challenge with some Fruit Loops. So we're gonna rename ours the Fruit Loop Challenge here. See what we can do with these things. We got a 6x6 Traxxas TRX, and we got the old Bronco out here. We're gonna give this thing a try. Let's see who can maintain the Fruit Loops.
Hey, you hit that car show, wouldn't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is this the Red Solo Cup Club?
Yeah. Just a little shot glass full of Fruit Loops. Whoever loses their Fruit Loops first, they lose. I don't know. We got to do some challenges somehow. Let's see if we can fit through here without spilling any. Oh yeah. Six by six being a little longer. I don't know if you've got an advantage or a disadvantage.
I know I have to watch where I turn, that's for sure.
That is a fact.
Trying to keep my fat head out of the jaw.
Uh-oh, there went one. Come on, baby, climb up there. Oh, no. Ah! Well, I guess I just lost. There it went. Let's see if you can make it without dumping.
If he don't make it, we're tied.
Yeah, if he don't make it, we're tied. Oh. Uh-oh. I think he just made the hill. Oh, that's 6x6 advantage. There we go. A little bit different line, but what do you expect? I'm just, a little Bronco. Uh-oh. Big log in the way. Ooh, dropped one.
Better talk while I'm ahead.
Yeah, you're getting pretty tittery over there. Oh my goodness. There went that one. I don't know if this Bronco make that climb or not, but we'll try it. I gotta make it. If I don't make it, then I guess we'll tie. I'll end up losing on the day then. Uh-oh, back bumper. I am losing Cheerios.
Oh, there you go.
Come on over here, baby. I'm going to try a little bit different line and see if it will hook here and stay planted without bumpering out on me. Nope. Nope. Ain't gonna make that like that. Okay. Well, as you can see, that's a stalemate hill right there. Well, Bronco's trying to lead again. We've reloaded our cups. We're going to try this right through here. See if we can side hill and not drop. A little bit of mud in the dirt tracks tread. Oh yeah, rear end, come on out of there, though. That 6x6 has no problem. You put dirt tracks underneath that, you never have a problem. Alright.
They have to get me a set of them.
Let's see what we can do here. Uh-oh. Just lost the right rear in that hole. Oh yeah. I gotta back up a little bit. And I missed my mark with my rear.
Pretty good. How you doing?
Trying to make this thing go worth the crap. I don't like these tires at all.
Yeah.
I always run deep woods, and I decided, you know, run something different. And this is what got me.
Uh-oh. I am in trouble.
You had it, Larry, too.
Yeah, just the rear end slid. The wrong way on me.
Oh, there it is.
I got a big hole over on that
Keep
side.
going passenger side when you get up there. Cheerio.
Yeah. I've lost 2 or 3 trying to get up over that hump.
There it is. Wow.
There, finally. See if I can do this without bumpering out and losing my cup of Cheerios. Oh, I lost 2 or 3. You only lost one. We're gonna bite. Oh, oh. Oh, well. Turn the video on. See if my back bumper will clear me. Oh, I don't know, Anthony. I think this thing is about done.
Yeah, you're peaked out there.
Yeah. I am floating the front end big time. I do believe that's a no-go for the Broncos.